नमस्कार, मैं नितेंदु ओझा आपके अपने एग्रीकल्चर चैनल ट्रिपल एग्री पर स्वागत करता हूं। आज जिस टॉपिक पे हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है ICR अवार्ड्स, और इसके बारे में जानेंगे और किस फील्ड में दिया जाता है और इसमें क्या आपको सुविधाएं मिलती हैं, इसके बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम चैनल ट्रिपल एग्री को भी फॉलो करिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करें। ICR चैलेंज अवार्ड टू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एनी इंटरमीडिएट और लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स और लिमिटेशन इन एग्रीकल्चर विच इज़ कमिंग इन द वे ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर डेवलपमेंट और इनहेंसिंग प्रोडक्टिविटी इन एनी मेजर एग्रीकल्चर, हॉर्टिकल्चर और एनिमल फिशरीज प्रोडक्ट। सरदार पटेल आउटस्टैंडिंग ICR इंस्टीट्यूशन अवार्ड in order to recognize outstanding performance by the ICR institutes, DUs of ICR, Central Agriculture Universities and the State Agriculture Universities. It's 3 awards of ₹10 lakh each, a citation and a pledge to give to 2 ICR institute, NRC projects, directorates, national bureaus and a small institute each, and 1 State Agriculture Universities, DUs and Central Agriculture Universities. Chaudhary Devi Lal Outstanding All Indian Coordinated Research Project Award in order to recognize outstanding performance of the AICRP, which is All Indian Coordinator Research Project, and its cooperating center, and to provide incentive for outstanding performance in terms of linkage and research output and its impact. 1 annual award of ₹3 lakh, which is 2 lakhs for the main coordination units and 1 lakh for the best coordination center in a cash, a citation and a pledge to given the selected AICRP. Jawaharlal Nehru Award for PG Outstanding Doctoral Thesis Research in Agriculture and Allied Science in order to promote high quality doctoral thesis research in the priority frontier area of agriculture and allied sciences. ICR has institutes 18 awards for ₹50,000 in cash plus a citation, and the silver medal, gold polished, is to be awarded annually for the outstanding original research work in agriculture and allied sciences. Punjab Rao Deshmukh Outstanding Women Scientist Award. All women scientists engaged in the research in agriculture and allied subject extension in a recognized institutions are eligible for the award. The award consists of ₹1 lakh in a cash and a citation, along with the provision of equal amount of ₹1 lakh for motivating women scientists and female students across the country, including travel within a year of receiving the award. The awards are exclusively meant for individual women scientists. Vasant Rao Nayak Award for Outstanding Research Application in Dryland Farming Systems. In order to promote outstanding research and application in priority aspects of dryland farming system and water conservation, an annual award of ₹1 lakh is to be awarded to an outstanding scientist for extension worker. जगजीवन राम अभिनव किसान पुरस्कार एवं जगजीवन राम इनोवेटिव फार्मर अवार्ड, which is of national and zonal, in order to recognize the outstanding contribution of innovative farmers for initiative in development, adoption, modification and dissemination of improved technology and practices for increased income with sustainability. Following national and zonal award are announced. The first one is national. 1 annual national award for ₹1 lakh each in any of the area of agriculture and allied sciences, plus equal amount of travel grant across the country to promote his achievement, are to be given to farmer at national level. The second one is zonal. 11 awards of ₹50,000 each, plus equal amount of travel grant to promote his or her achievement and motivate farmer in his or her prospective zone. All the KVKs in the country are divided zone wise. There are 8 zones in the country and each zone is headed by a zonal project director. NG Ranga Farmer Award for Diversified Agriculture. In order to recognize the outstanding contribution of innovative farmers for diversified agriculture, One annual award of rupees 1 lakh in any of the area of diversified agriculture is given by ICAR. पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय अंत्योदय कृषि पुरस्कार, national and zonal level. In order to recognize the contribution of marginal, small and the landless farmers for developing sustainable integrated model of farming, the ICAR has instituted Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Antyodaya Krishi Puruskar, which is of national and zonal annually. For national level, there is one award comprising of rupees 1 lakh rupees and award certification to be given annually. At zonal level, there are total 11 awards, one for each zone of ATARI, comprising of rupees 50,000 rupees. हलदार ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग या फिर ऑर्गेनिक फार्मर अवार्ड 2017 टू रिकॉग्नाइज्ड आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मर्स. द अवार्ड कंसिस्ट ऑफ रुपीज 1 लाख रुपीज. चौधरी चरण सिंह अवार्ड फॉर एक्सीलेंस in journalism in agricultural research and development. 6 annual awards carrying cash award of rupees 1 lakh and the certificate are to be given to the journalist for print media, Hindi journalism or English journalism, or a journalism in regional language. 4 awards and electronic media, which is of 2 awards. Farukhuddin Ali Ahmed award for outstanding research in tribal farming system. The award is primarily meant for any person or team engaged in applied research and its application in tribal areas of the country, aimed at improving the biological resource and livelihood, or in original work directly applicable to tribal farming system. 2 award, each with the value of rupees 1 lakh in a cash in a citation, plus the provision of equal amount of study on related subject in geographical area of work for a year. Bharat Ratna Dr. C. Subramaniam Award for outstanding teachers. In order to provide recognition to outstanding teachers and to promote quality teaching in the field of agriculture, 4 outstanding teacher awards are given annually. Each award consists of rupees 1 lakh in cash plus travel grant of rupees 1 lakh to promote innovation in teaching. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Krishi Vigyan Protsahan Puruskar, which is of national and zonal level, to promote health competition among Krishi Vigyan Kendras at zonal and national level for application of science and technology in agriculture. For competition at national level, there is one award having prize money of 25 lakh. At zonal level, there are the total of 11 awards, one for each zone of KVKs. Each award consists of rupees 2.25 lakh. Dr. Rajendra Prasad Puruskar for technical books in Hindi in agriculture and allied sciences. These awards recognized to author of original Hindi technical books in agriculture and allied sciences and incentive Indian writers to write original standard works in agricultural and allied sciences in Hindi. The award is meant for individual as well as term of author, and individual award consists of rupees 1 lakh in cash and a citation. There are 4 awards, one of the crop horticulture sciences, NRM, agriculture engineering, animal, fisheries, science and social science. All original Hindi technical books in the designated subject area of agriculture and allied sciences written by Indian authors, including editors of multi-author books in which the editor also has himself contribute substantially, are eligible. Lal Bahadur Shastri Outstanding Young Scientist Award to recognize the talent among scientists who have shown extraordinary originality and dedication in their research program. 4 individual awards are to be given annually. An individual award of rupees 1 lakh in a cash and a citation, and the challenge project of 3 years and a budgetary provision of rupees 10 lakh per year plus rupees 5 lakh for foreign training up to 3 months if deemed necessary by the ICAR. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai Award for Outstanding Research in Agriculture Science. To recognize outstanding research in agricultural and allied science and provide incentives for excellence in agriculture research. This award is to be given to agriculture scientists for outstanding contribution in the specific area. A total of 4 awards are provided under the award. Each award carries a cash prize of rupees 5 lakh in addition to the citation. Swami Sahajanand Saraswati Outstanding Extension Scientist Award. The award is exclusively meant for individual extension scientist, teacher for excellence in agriculture extension, methodology and education work. 2 individual award has been provided, and individual award consists of rupees 1 lakh in cash and a citation. NASI ICR Award for Innovation and Research on Farm Implements. To reduce the extra effort of farm women by development of farm implement and to encourage researchers and innovators to develop farm implement for farm women. The award consists of rupees 1 lakh in cash, citation and the certificate. The award is annually in nature. ICR Award for Outstanding Interdisciplinary Team Research in Agriculture and Allied Sciences. To recognize, encourage and promote the outstanding that practical and useful research would normally have to be interdisciplinary in approach, the ICR and constituted the ICR Award for Outstanding Interdisciplinary Team Research in Agriculture and Allied Sciences. The award is biennial in nature. These awards would be maximum 4 awards and each award would be of rupees 5 lakh rupees. Not more than 1 award will be given in any discipline. Cash Awards Scheme. Cash Award Scheme for Administrative Technical Supporting Category Employee of ICR Research Institute NRC Bureau ZCUs has been instituted by the ICR in order to recognize the excellence in the performance. 3 annual award of rupees 51,000 rupees are to be given to the awardees selected among application received from the regular employees of ICAR. And ZCU means Zonal Coordinating Unit.